camera, please. I get him.
Oh, it's a Wii.
What is that?
What is
It's
it?
a Wii Star Wars thing.
Are you kidding me?
What do you mean? It's a Wii Star Wars. We have Wii Star Wars.
But it's like you connect, Mom. You connect lightsabers to the Wii holder.
No way.
And it's really like a real lightsaber.
Yeah,
Like when you're playing Star Wars Legos,
Yeah.
you go instead of just going, you go.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Cole, here. Let's not do that.
This comes with extra.
Come here, Boo.
Really
Is that cool? Do you like that?
we have 4 remotes now, Mom. Maybe.
What?
We have 4 remotes.
No. It doesn't come with the remotes.
Then why is there a remote?
Because it shows you that you stick your remote in it.
Oh, hello. Hi.
And then you,
Let me see.
but you know what? The Mario Kart has like a steering